already 7:30 p.m. I did a double shift today. Started at 8:30 a.m. Got green bowl tonight, and she loves this so much. That's the reason why I always get it at work, because she loves quinoa. Bless, bless, bless. Bless, pag utro, bless. Ay, sus. Bless, ane, bless. Dali na, dali na. No, bless. Good job. Maghugas, ane ko, alima. Wait lang. Maghugas, ane ko. Magalisan, ane ko, baro. Madali lang. Wait lang. Wait, ane ko. Dede? Oh. Okay. Dede. Wow.
I wonder what you two are doing with this house.
Wait lang.
You guys are obviously never having kids.
What was that? I did not.
Yummy. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? More? More? Good ko lang eh.
Hey, in some parts of the universe, maybe not even from tempo casual, but in some parts, it's pretty cool to know what's going on in the world.
Thank you, Josh. I still
Say good night. Good night. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Grabe ko mga katignaw. Whole day mag-snow ragad si Ja. And good thing na jari ra sila ni Kat and Claire diri sa balay. Kaya para diri na lang na ako ibilin si Tali. We're supposed to go to Woodside para dito na ako siya ibilin while I'm working. But nice snowstorm. So it's crazy if ako si Tali igawas karon. Well, hopefully mabisi ni sa work karon. Kaya para makakwarta po ta. Oh my God, the best adobo ever! Grabe, uy, among chef, uy. Grabe man ni siya, uy. Pwede na ni siya mag-menu ba? Yan. Oh my God, ang sabaw. Ayun.
It's gonna be so much fun to play with. We're gonna make sandcastles. Let's see. Ready? Yay!
Tali, throw in the trash, Tali. Very good. Grabe, uy, sa nagluto.
Grabe, uy.
Grabe, pwede na mag-menu.
You do not. Is the lion.
Okay, dira sa kakauban sa imong mingming, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Grabe lang, uy. Grabe lang. Believe na good ko nimo, diba?
Saan na kayo? Wala natin yung paano. Diwa ko mo yun?
Wala, or? Over 10.
Kalagot, oy. Valentine. Oh!
Nakalimutan ko.
Aba.
Wala kayong bake lang?
We're afraid that something bad.
Good morning. Naglaba kong ikan. Nag-drop ko sa nilabhan pero nakalimot ko sa Jawi. Kanausik lang sa sitali para ila ko abrihan. Then after this, we're gonna go out for our coffee date because it's Valentine's Day and we gotta do something. Hi!
Where did you leave your key?
Wow, so pretty. I like your hat. Tali, what's that in your head? What in your head? What is this? Oh, Tali, what is this? What is this? Okay. Finish na imo food? Ilabak na sa basura. Okay, thank you, honey. Finish. Good job. Paghinay, ha? Okay, kaayo. Outfit check! Wow!
My shoes is from Nike.
Oh.
My hat is from as an influencer.
Tali! Lipa na ang snow. Dali, dali! Sa'yo na ni Molly mo. Kagawi ka tignaw. Langga. Gentle parenting, no?
Gentle parenting kayo na ilangga. Pero this is a combination of gentle and Jurassic parenting.
Jurassic. Inspired by Mommy Pinky.
Hi guys, namin sa New York.
Of course, dagay basura.
We're from New York. Of course, paspas mi mo baktas. Dapat I think I like this little life. This little kasabot. Sa imo, ma'am.
Hindi nga ako itry ang ilang kuhan. Pistachio.
Okay.
Tali, what do you want? What do you want?
Very good.
Is this honey? Huh? What is this? Huh? It's a bear, right? Very back lang to ang ilang kuhan. Yummy. Paghinay. Wow! Very big. Okay, the texture there. My favorite. Ayan, si Valentine. Cheers. Cheers. Walay kon si Tali. Ay, mga adyo ko tubig.
Sa tubig. Oy. Let's go.
Let's go. Disney princess.
Hi. Ali. Hi.
na kay Artie nga anak. Sige lang taw sa espeho. Okay. Tali. Ay. Please nanay ko. Gwapa man na niya. Uy. You're so pretty, baby. Anak, you're so pretty. Kiss nanay. Again. Oh. Talia, that's not nice.
Ano naman yung kipang anak? Ayaw na. Kaya nagikan pa na nalabhan. Dali na, dali. Dali. Dali, kay tudloan ta ka mamilo. Dali. Dali. Laong ra mamilo, oh. Dali. Dali. Ajo, ang tanong na to. Agoy. Dali. Tungko. Okay, like this. Tanawa. Laong rin ako. Oh, ikaw. Like this, oh. Like that.
Eat.
Mag-eat kita after. We already ate. Okay? Pero unsang gid nato pagkahuman ani, naimo ra man ang gipangkuan. Na. Okay. Unya na lang ko mamilo, dali. Mag-eat ka sa gawas, dali. Okay. Ha? Paso, basta nag-ingon ko sa imo, paso. Aw! Hat! Oh. Ingon ko paso ha, wag gid ko nagkuwang anak. Kahapon di ay after work, nami free meal. Ang gikuha is falafel sandwich, sub chicken because I don't like falafel sometimes. Kuya na ako makaon kagabi kay nagluto si Mami lang og adobo. This is like lunch/snacks. Kay gikan pa mi nagkaon sa gawas og pastry. Claro, nega. Cheers. Def yan. Uy! Anak, was. Thank you. Anak lang yun ba? This is hummus. Yum. And I got tahini sauce. Is it tahini or tahini? Tahini. I don't know. Is it tahini or tahini? Ang importante yung Okay, back to oh, this is what I like. Oh, okay. Come on. Sumila ka lang mo. Joke lang.
Ikaw siya?
Ikaw siya. May yung breakfast. Dinner na ko na naman.
What? Baby! You want more, baby? You want more? Yummy? Nay avocado, oh. Kaya ka na. Wipe your face. Kaya gabi ni mo kabulingit. More pa, anak. More. Can I see? Dali na, dali. Okay, all done. Okay, thank you. All done. Finish. Thank you, honey.
Mommy. Bless, Mommy. Bless. Paghinay. Wow, kabuutan. Uy, kay bago na discover. Hala. Kagara agad jud nimo nak. Good night. Wake up. Good night. Wake up. Good night. Wake up. Good night. Wake up. Good night. Wake up.